All right, so here's an example of gravimetric stoich. So we're given a value in grams and we're converting it to grams. So this question says how many grams of aluminum metal, so this is my unknown, will react with 65 grams of sodium bromide. So that's my known. So first step of every single stoich question is to start with a balanced equation. So I'm reacting solid aluminum with sodium bromide. And this is a single replacement reaction. So my products are going to be sodium metal and aluminum bromide. We want to make sure that it's balanced. So I have to put a 3 here to balance my bromide and then a 3 here to balance my sodium. What I always like to do is label your known and your unknown. So I'm solving for this. That's my unknown, the aluminum, and the one that I'm given information for is the sodium bromide. So this is my known, and the mass is 65 grams. I'm looking for the mass of aluminum. Okay, so for every stoichiometry problem, when we're converting grams to grams, our first step is take grams of our known and convert that to moles of our known substance. At this step, we convert to moles of our unknown. This is where we use the mole ratio. We use our mole ratio to convert moles of known to moles of unknown, and then finally, we use our molar mass to convert back to grams of our unknown. So we can do this all in one step using our dimensional analysis. Start with grams of your known. So this is 65 grams. And multiply it by the molar mass to convert to moles. So we're going to have 1 mole of sodium bromide. Grams will be in the bottom. Per 102.89 grams of sodium bromide. Grams cancel. Okay, now I have moles of sodium bromide. So I'm at this step here. I want to use my mole ratio to convert to moles of my unknown. So my mole ratio is unknown, which has a coefficient of 1, over known, which is 3. So I'll have 1 mole of aluminum per 3 moles of sodium bromide. Moles of sodium bromide cancel. And now I have moles of aluminum. So last step is to convert that to grams. So 26.98 grams of aluminum per 1 mole of aluminum. Moles cancel. And our units that we're left with are grams of aluminum, which is what we were solving for. So we get an answer of 5.6814, etc. If we round that off, we want 3 significant digits. So it'll be 5.68 grams.